All right, Pack. Let's go. Bath time. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Hey, Nori. Nori just ran away. Come on, Rax. Come on. Come on, everyone. Let's go. Let's go outside. We didn't get any of the collars off. Eli, come on. Eli, you're standing there like a clone. Let's go.
Go outside, all of you. Go.
Out. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Out.
Come on, babe.
Get their collars off, Cade.
Come on.
All right, come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, everybody out. Come on.
Come on. I know. Nobody wants to take a bath.
Go out.
All right, this isn't working out. Shoo them out. All right, here we are, guys. 300 gallons of water. Come on, Pack. Let's go, guys. 300 gallons of water. It's all warmed up. We got 2 baths that are warm. We got 1 bath that is warming up. We got chickens out there in labor. And I don't know which of the pack is going to be first. But we got to do a little bit of medicating on Giddy's ear because it's all jacked up. And so, all right, you want to grab him first? Yeah, grab him because we got to do it with his ear. All right, so here we are, everybody. Welcome to the pack bath time. Now, Giddy's not going to be happy about this at all because we got to drive a needle and awl into his ear. And it's full of fluid again, and I think it's because he sat there and itched it up. Ah, Giddy, you're going to be so mad at us, buddy. I'm very, very sorry. But we will get you fixed up. And way to go. Get him super wet up there. What up, buddy? We don't know a better way to do this. We tried putting ice on his ear all weekend long, trying to make sure it was good to roll, but I don't know so much as it's going to do anything for him. Which way do you want him up? Up or top? Like towards the chicken house or not?
It doesn't matter. Either way is fine. It's better if we can get him to lay down
Well, he's going to be laying down.
and have it drain.
So here, whichever side, let's do his ear first before we do any of this stuff. So put it so his ear's up. Yeah, it's not real level. So maybe put him uphill so he doesn't slide off. And then, is that his bad ear right there?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see what's up. Giddy. You got to settle down, Mr. Pity. Hey, lay down. Keep homeboy down. We're sorry. We're very, 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 very sorry about this. You see it? There's 2 spots in there.
Just this right here. I'm sorry, Giddy. I don't like doing this as much as you don't like it.
Okay, there it is. Relax, get relax. All right, blood's coming out everywhere. Get him down. Caden, pull his arm down. So he's laying down. Relax, homie. Relax. Okay, and as you can see, I don't know if you can actually see this or not. There's blood coming out of this one. Last time it was more pus than anything. Oh, go baby. Oh, go Giddy.
Sorry, Dad.
Sorry, baby. Don't push that in. Or hold him. Okay, make sure he doesn't go anywhere. Alright, so.
That's not good. I need his head not to move.
Stop. And this is the way we medicate for their ears. Okay, now let's try to get the rest of it out. Let's squeeze the rest of it out. And there was a lot that came out on that. So an entire gauze strip of blood came out of his ear. Squeeze that down, and then we should ice that thing as well. Okay. Is there more coming out?
I don't think so.
Oh, we still got a hole. It looks like there's still a little in there.
Came out because it was in very deep and I didn't. I think it's okay. It still feels kind of thick.
Okay. All right, so lay him down. Let's get him washed.
Very good.
There we go. All right, Giddy. Let's roll him over the other way. Come on, Bo. All right, so I don't know. This one we're not gonna be able to fix the table in this one, wherever it's at. Come here, Giddy. All right, come this way. All right, come here, buddy. All right, here we go. Check his toes. Let's begin. Nobody likes doing that to you, baby. Here, let's lift this table up over here or something. Lift the table. Hold on.
Good either.
It's better, isn't it?
A little bit, not much.
Alright, lay him down. Giddy. I know, this table's all jacked up. Did you check his toes?
Yep.
Okay, so pull him down because we need to be able to get him back over here. Come on, bub. Hold on. Alright, so let's flip him over. Come here, bub. Just relax. Okay. Giddy, will you please go to your back for me? Oh yeah. I'm sorry, buddy. Don't know how to fix you any other way other than to drain it. It's got to feel better when the pressure's out of here. Here, let's roll him over. Hey, Eli, come watch the dogs, dude. Where's Jaden at? Where's Jaden at? You got dogs in the back going off. All right, let's throw him back in. All right, so throw him in. This table more useful. All right, so there you are, guys. That's how to fix a puffed up ear where they break out. Just in there. Eli, we got... Eli, pause your stuff. We got dogs. Come dry Giddy. Jay, get ready to dry Giddy. All right, let's get him out. Okay, Jade's out here with us, so go back to your rugs. But hurry up. All right, there he is.
Okay. Careful.
Will you please have Mom put salve in his ear? Careful his ear. Careful his ear. Don't drop that on his ear. And then we need to throw some ice on that. Let's cool that down a little bit. Does it feel better?
Looks better.
Okay. Here, snap Jerry Withers right there, dude. All right, here we are. Mr. Giddy's done.